Love you. Hirang po.
Happy birthday, Ana Carla. Stay strong at sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa mo.
Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Carla! Happy birthday!
Carla Topular, happy 20th birthday sa'yo. God bless you and many more birthdays to come. Stay safe and stay healthy always. Happy birthday!
Hi Carla! Happy birthday! Go get drunk, indulge. It's your birthday. Just enjoy the shit out of your birthday. Happy birthday, Carla!
Please stay safe, stay healthy and happy. I hope to meet you soon.
Hey Carla, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life and God bless you.
Hi Carla Topular, happy 20th birthday. More birthdays and blessings of God.
Hello, ako nga po pala si Luri Nalus. Gusto ko lang po batiin ang happy 20th birthday since Carla Topular. Wish you all the best and ingat po kayo palagi. Best wishes po. God bless you. Happy birthday po.
Happy 20th birthday, Carla Topular. God bless you. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy 20th birthday, Carla Topular. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Hi Carla Topular! Lovely to meet you. How are you? It's your birthday. Happy birthday. I hope that you're having fun celebrating your birthday with your loved ones. It's so fun fun with mo. Hindi mo para sa birthday. Kasama na sa tamang health. Happiness, love, peace, and abundance. Again, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Carla Topular. Wishing you all the best in life. Health, happiness, love, and success. May God grant you the desires of your heart. Enjoy your special day with your family, loved ones, and friends.
Happy 20th birthday, Carla. We're good to see you. Enjoy your day and we wish you all the best. Yes. God bless you and sana lang ng dream mo kapag yun. See you soon. Ingat ka lagi.
Hello, Carla Topular. This is Juan Lucas, Darong Encantada. Happy 20th birthday nga po sa'yo. Wish you all good health and happiness in your life. I hope to meet and see you soon.
Carla Topular, it's me, Chelsea Fausto of Boko Gamit ating kapatid. Gusto na kong batiin ng happy 20th birthday. Nag-enjoy ka on your very special day. God bless you and keep it alive.
Hi Carla Topular. This is Angel Guardian. Wanna wish you a happy 20th birthday. Enjoy your day. More blessings to you. Stay healthy. Bye.
Hello there, Carla Topular. Happy birthday. Enjoy your debut. May God bless you more. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Ingat ka.
Happy 20th birthday sa'yo, Carla Topular. God bless you. At mag-ingat ka. Enjoy your birthday.